All right, we've got what, 27 points lower on the Nifty, 16,989 at this point in time. And the flash that we were discussing and we were talking about, Reuters reporting that India's inclusion into the key global bond indices, JP Morgan in particular is where the expectation was, has been pushed out. The Reuters story saying that some of the issues which we were just highlighting, the unavailability of Indian government bonds on international clearing platforms like Euroclear, those are issues which still need to be addressed. And I mean, the copy of the story says early next year. So we don't know. Usually the review happens in September, October. And as I was explaining earlier, there was a lot of expectation that this should come through this time around after sort of Russia was thrown out of the index earlier in March of 22. Dipan Mehta is still with us. Dipan, any thoughts you want to offer around this? Would have meant a lot of inflow, supporting bonds. I mean, meant good for currency as well in terms of an external source of funding.
Absolutely. I think all of us are looking forward to this particular inclusion, and hopefully it's just a matter of time and all these administrative settlement issues should get sorted out. And that would mean good long-term flows coming into our markets, positive for interest rates, as well as positive for stock markets as well, because you always prefer stable currency rates. So let's just wait and watch. I think it's just a matter of time, maybe a quarter or so. And this particular event, I think, will be very positive. In any case, I think India is the flavor of the global markets, the way we have outperformed on the equity and the currency side. And that certainly will whet the appetite for a lot of bond investors who want to invest into India. So, I heard you say that there was a clamor to the agencies to include the bonds and somehow make it possible. So hopefully this particular proposal, will actually fructify in the near future.
Thanks a lot for joining us and have a